another episode of Cindy's Home Kitchen. I'm Cindy, and
hey.
the camera is my son Mike.
Howdy, y'all.
As you all know, and you have seen me before doing ribs. This is another a pack of rib that I got, and what I did was, guys, I took this caldero, I put water in it, and as you can see, these little tiny little things, that is oregano, salt, pepper, a little bit of red onion, and a piece of jalapeno pepper that was left over. So what I do is I put it in here, you see, I boil it, I let it go, you know, reduce the water, and when it's rolled like that, then I take my ribs, I'm gonna put them in here, and then what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna put them in the oven for 40 minutes. Let's say 40 minutes, right, Michael?
Oh, yeah.
And these are gonna be done so soon, guys. These I made them just for me. I don't know what to eat. Sometimes I just get like that. All this eating that we did in the New Year's, you know, cooking all kinds of stuff and whatnot. I don't even know. Today I decided that I was not gonna cook, but I ended up making Mike a couple of hamburgers.
That's right.
And then I ended up, you know what I'm saying, boiling this rack of ribs that I had in the freezer.
Oh, yeah.
So I'm gonna put it in the oven just like it is, like that, on 400. And I'm gonna let it cook for how long, Michael? We're gonna put the time in here. What does it say
30,
time?
Did you say 35 minutes?
What did I say the time? I don't have my glasses on. I said 35, 40 minutes.
Cooking time right there.
Where?
Right there.
Okay.
Yep.
Cooking time, what did we say?
400.
For cooking time is
Yeah.
40 minutes, the time.
Yep.
That's 40 minutes there, or that's that 40 seconds?
That's 40 minutes.
That's 40 minutes.
Yep.
And start. So we're gonna cook that for 40 minutes on 400. And then when it's done, I'm just gonna put my own barbecue sauce on the top, like 5 or 10 minutes before. I think I have some honey barbecue in the fridge, and I'll just glaze it on the top and eat them like that. I'm gonna cut them like one by one, like all the little pieces of the rib. So don't go away and stay tuned, because we'll be right back in 40 little minutes. Don't forget to subscribe. Okay, guys, hi. So this is what we're gonna do now. We're back, and only there's 18 minutes left, so that means that 22 minutes have gone by since the ribs have been in the oven. So I'm gonna take that tray out, and also I gotta tell you guys that as soon as I put them on, I lower it from 400 to 350, because I want them to cook slowly like this from the inside out. Now this is what I'm going to do. Not everybody does this, but I'm gonna do this because they'll be better to eat, like more, you know what I'm saying? See? I'm gonna cut them in slices. That's the word that I was looking for. You can jump in, Michael, anytime you want. If I forget how to say something, and just say, Mama, you say, you know, single ribs.
Oh, yeah, no.
Or whatever,
no
you know, you can help Mama with. Yeah, you can interrupt me if I forget something, you know? Okay, here we go. So what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna separate them as I'm doing it. You can see, guys?
Oh, yeah.
See? That way, they're gonna cook faster, right, Michael?
Oh, yeah.
Yeah, look at that. A little bit hard to, you know? Gotta be strong like me in order to separate them. That's what it is, right, Mike?
Oh, yeah.
Here we go. See? There you go, like that. This way you can, oh, see. So as they're separated like this now, guys, I'm going to put my sweet and spicy barbecue sauce in this bowl here. And Michael, you can show around everybody my new kitchen that I have. Look at my food pantry, guys. Just like the other one that I had in the townhouse. But this one is a little bit deeper, and the shelves a little bit wider, which means I can put more stuff in there. Okay, so here we go. What I'm going to do is I am going to toss them in the barbecue sauce like this. And then I'm going to put them back in here in the tray. See, Michael?
Oh, yeah.
See? Like this. Maybe it wasn't big enough to toss yet. Oh, and by the way, guys, I did wash my hands. I should have done it so you guys could see me do it. Next time we're going to do that. Because I did it a little bit too fast, right? And I wanted to go live and do this. But look, these come out, guys, so good. You don't even want to know how good, because they're going back in the oven again to finish, you know what I'm saying? So this is what we're gonna do. I'm just gonna put my hands in here. That way I can toss them. I'm gonna put them back in here again. See, guys?
Oh, yeah.
3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8, 9, 10, 11, and 12. And then, hold on a second, because you gotta, you know, put your, you don't want to put a lot, because you don't want them to be like, you know, slobber and just pure sauce. Not a good thing. No. So you can see, we're gonna go over here to the kitchen sink, Michael. And I'm taking a good picture of those over here. Wash my hands, rinse them off again. And then we're gonna go, guys, back over there to my oven that is on 350. Remember I told you guys that I put it there? And we still have 15 more minutes. So we're gonna wait 15 more minutes and we're gonna come back in 15 more minutes and you guys are gonna see me eating those ribs. They're delicious. You guys can go ahead and make yours. You know, don't make it such a big deal. Boil them, that way they'll cook faster in the oven because you don't want any of that red blood or anything in its pork. So when you're cooking pork, you have to make sure, just like chicken, that the chicken or the pork is fully cooked. We're not making beef today. So we'll be right back. Don't go away. Stay, guys. So we're back and here we are right in front of the oven. And like I told you guys before, it was on 350. We have 8 minutes left. And look how pretty. Oh, Michael, this looks so nice. Feels very hot. The heat. Okay, Michael, I want you to move away a little bit. And I'm going to put him right here. There we go. Oh, look at that. Don't they look delicious? So what I'm going to do, I'm going to place them on my plate here, all together. Okay. 4, 5, 6, wow, 7. They look nice, Michael. What?
Oh, yeah.
Yeah, they smell so good. I wish you guys could pee here and smell this, because I know you guys will be like, hey, where's my rib? You know, they smell amazingly delicious. So this is the last one here. So what I'm gonna do, guys, I'll move this around, Michael, so everybody can see. See slowly how very pretty they look. And I taste the seasoning before, so I know they taste really good. So here we go. So this is what I want to do, guys. I want to take a little bit of it like that. So if you want to go ahead and try what I just did with these ribs, you can go ahead and try it.
Ingredients down below. When I
started the video, I already cut the bag and I pat them in the water with the seasoning. And I told you guys what I put in. It was nothing but salt and pepper and a little bit of red onion cut up and throw it inside. A whole jalapeno pepper with seeds and everything in there, okay? And more or less that was it, you know, and garlic, and real garlic cloves, like 3 of them. Just for the taste, so it can taste good. And this is a little piece that I just took up from here. They're starting to cool down. Oh my God. It's like heaven. So anyway, you can make a salad if you want with these, right?
Oh yeah.
You can have pork and beans or those sweet beans with this, yes or no? Some mac and cheese,
oh, yeah.
You know? You can give them to your kid. You can give it to your husband. He's getting on your nerves. Take a rack of ribs out of the freezer. Cut him up. Put him in a pan with water. And your whatever seasonings you desire to put in. Whatever taste you like. And that's it. And then when it's done, after you cut them in like this, and put your barbecue sauce, whatever barbecue sauce you like. So anyway, guys, thanks for watching. I'm happy that I'm back making videos with you guys all together like we should have been doing. But this is what we're gonna be doing from now on. And with that, I'm gonna let you guys go because I have all these ribs that I want to eat, at least half of them. So I love you all. Thanks for watching. And always remember, guys, don't forget to subscribe and never ever drink and drive. Thanks for watching.